Welcome to this charming corner lot patio home in the quiet community of Hillview, positioned perfectly right next to the greenbelt. And this place comes with some perks. So not only is it located right next to the greenbelt, but also has a community pool, a nearby dog park, and lots of fun outdoor activities for the whole family to enjoy. Now this home has 986 square foot of living space, and it really does make good use of that space, including having a finished attic that's not included in that square footage that could be used as a kid's secret room that I think they'll really enjoy. But enough about that. Let's go check it out. Now, as you walk through the door, you're introduced to the living room that has these vaulted ceilings, beautiful wooden beams, and it just kind of gives it that nice and cozy feel to it. And to keep it cozy, it has recently installed dual pan windows. Now, let's go check out the kitchen. Here we are in the kitchen, which has a good amount of space for cooking for friends and family, which, by the way, have this opening over here so they can watch you and anticipate that amazing meatloaf you have cooking in the oven. And speaking of ranges, we have this convection oven that's a true convection oven, which means it's going to cook that meatloaf perfectly evenly, or pie, whatever it is you want to cook in here. And on top of that, we have the reverse osmosis faucet for you. And directly behind me, you have the pantry. And look at how big this pantry actually is. Check this out. Now, I just want to show you real quick the washer and dryer. And that may not seem like a big deal, but this is actually one of the few units that can actually fit a full-size washer and dryer. And some additional space for more storage. But enough about that. Let's go check out these rooms. Now let's check out the primary bedroom. Plenty of space for your bed or any additional furniture you might have that you want to fit in here. And it has a private bathroom. Step outside to the large back patio, perfect for unwinding after a long day, or enjoy the weekend barbecue with mature trees. It's just a great place to relax and enjoy the birds that love to visit here. Also, directly across that covered patio is your carport, which has plenty of room for 2 cars slash garage, because it is an actual garage door and everything. It's just not completely covered all around, which kind of makes it unique and nice. So come check out this cozy, well-maintained home in a quiet community that has great bones and endless potential. And to take a private tour, click the link below. And if you'd like to see some of the behind the scenes footage, stuff we didn't have time to show you, like the secret room, click that link below, and we'll see you in the next one.